Hi, I'm Gus with Air Plumbing today. Today I'll show you why you should have regular air duct cleanings in your home. If anyone in your home suffers from allergies or asthma, you definitely need regular air duct cleanings. If you see any dust coming out of your vents, you probably need air duct cleaning. Do you smell unpleasant odors when your AC turns on? You definitely need regular air duct cleanings. Did you know that dirty air ducts can make your energy bills even higher? Regular air duct cleanings can solve a lot of problems in the long run. This is our air duct cleaning truck. We have everything we need to clean any home's air ducts. This is our air duct cleaning machine. It has a HEPA filter system inside, and it traps all the dust and particles. So what we do is we connect this air duct hose to the machine, followed by connected to the supply air register vent. So this is the duct cleaning brush that we use to get into the air ducts. This will exfoliate and remove everything from the ducts, followed by the vacuum. When we're all done, we'll use this machine to sanitize all your ducts with a product called BioFresh. And here's why you should choose Air & Plumbing today for your air duct cleaning. No gimmicks. All of our air duct cleaning jobs are simply priced by the hour. No scare tactics. We won't scare you with words like mold or mildew to shock you into paying high prices. And we're EPA certified professionals. If your AC unit itself has accumulation or dust or debris, we can clean inside of your unit professionally. Are you ready to have your home's air ducts cleaned? Call Air & Plumbing today at 210-519-5959 or visit airandplumbingtoday.com